Did you know one player's trash talk was so brutal it ended careers? Larry Bird wasn't just the best shooter in basketball history, he was its most dangerous mind game player. He would tell defenders exactly where he planned to shoot from, then drain the shot anyway. During one Christmas game, he picked apart an entire team's confidence so methodically that two players requested trades the next week. But Bird's secret weapon wasn't just words. He studied opponents' personal lives to find their deepest insecurities. Then, he'd exploit them during games. In the 1987 playoffs, he broke down a star player so completely with psychological warfare that the man retired 2 years early. His mental torture changed sports forever.